Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today in this training video, I will tell you about additional reporting screens of DMS, which includes Upload Document History, Unindexed Document Team, In-Out, Document Number Link, User Action Log, QR Mail, Status. Objectives of this training is to understand following. What types of additional screens are available in DMS? What does DMS additional reporting screen includes? Where does the data in these screens come from? How do these screens help in DMS working? Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have tenant account, an admin role with organization access. Let us understand the first screen named Upload Document History. The Upload Document History screen displays information about uploaded documents. By default, it shows the history for the last 7 days. Users can adjust this time range from the DMS indexing settings window. The data on this screen is auto-populated whenever a user uploads a document. It logs all uploaded documents and also highlights any issues encountered during the upload process. Now we will understand this screen in more detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log in to System using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open Upload Document History window from the menu. On this screen, the data is automatically populated when the user uploads a document to the DMS. It stores informational logs related to the uploaded document, such as when the document was uploaded, whether the upload was successful, and, if not, what the error was. Let's go through these fields. First field is Organization. It will display the organization through which the user was logged in while uploading the document. Since the user is uploading the document while logged in under the star organization, the document will be uploaded under that organization. Next field is Document. It shows the name and type of the document. Next field is Result. It shows the result of the document upload, displaying OK if the document is successfully uploaded to the DMS, and Issue if the document fails to upload due to an error. Next field is User JARC Contact. This field shows the name of the user who has uploaded the document. Next field is Created On. This field shows the date and time at which the document was successfully uploaded to the DMS. Next field is Input Type. This field indicates the source of the document entry in the DMS, whether it was uploaded manually, through scanning, or via email. By default, the system displays the document upload log for the last 7 days. However, the user can modify these settings by navigating to the DMS Indexing Settings screen, as covered in the Configuration of DMS Indexing Settings video. Moving to the next screen named Unindexed Document screen. Whenever a user uploads a document to the DMS, it initially appears in the Unindexed Document screen. This screen shows the documents that are pending from the indexing. A scheduler processes this data and indexes the documents accordingly. Once a document is successfully indexed, its entry is automatically removed from this screen. However, if there is an error during the indexing, the document remains in this screen for further action. Now we will understand this screen in more detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Return to the Onfinity system and please open Unindexed Document screen from the menu. On this screen, the data is also automatically populated, and the user cannot create any records. Let's go through these fields. First field is Organization. It will display the organization through which the user was logged in while uploading the document. Since the user is uploading the document while logged in under the star organization, the document will be uploaded under that organization. Next field is Document. It shows the name of the document. Next field is File Type. It displays the type of the document, such as PDF, doc, or TXT. Next field is Document Status. This field shows the status of document indexing. Documents are indexed when the status is set to check-in, but it may also display statuses such as check-in, deleted version, or in progress. If an error occurs during indexing, the document status is automatically set to not processed. Next, It also displays the version, vServer IP, and description of the document. As shown, there are currently 67 records listed on the Unindexed Documents screen. We will now run the indexing process to verify whether the documents are successfully indexed. Proceed to index the documents. To index the documents, please log in to System using System Account and System Administrator role with Star Organization Access. Once logged in, please open Job Auto Run Config window from the menu. To index a document, the user needs to select the Index Document process. This job is used to index the documents. System will pick document information from Unindexed Document screen and will process it as per configuration. This job enables content-based search functionality, allowing users to find documents by the text they contain. The user clicks the Process Now button to trigger the scheduler. After running the scheduler successfully, a confirmation message indicating "Document reads successfully" will appear on the user's screen. The user can then navigate to the admin user screen, refresh it, and observe that the document status has also been updated. Once indexing is complete, the documents are removed from the Unindexed Documents screen. The user can then search the indexed documents by their content. If an error occurs during indexing, the document status is set to Not Processed. For example, if a document is a JPG image with no text content, the system is unable to extract any text, and therefore, its status is set to Not Processed. Moving to the next screen named Team In-Out Document Number Link screen. Team In-Out Document Number Link screen helps the users to tracks and maintains details about the in and out document numbers associated with document sharing among teams within the DMS web. In the Onfinity system, when a user shares a document with a team, an in and out document number is generated, and the information on this screen is automatically populated. The record is auto-filled and cannot be edited by the user. Now we will understand this screen in more detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Return to the Onfinity system, and please open Team In-Out Document Number Link screen from the menu. On this screen, the data is automatically populated whenever the user manually generates in and out document numbers using the document action. Additionally, when the user shares a document with the team, the corresponding in and out numbers are generated automatically. The user cannot create any new records on this screen. Let's go through the fields. First field is Organization. It displays the organization under which the user was logged in while sharing the document with the team. Since the user is sharing the document or generating the in-out document number manually while logged in under the Sonic Venture organization, the record will be created under that organization. Next field is Document Name. It shows the name of the document. Next field is Team. It shows the name of the team that forwarded the document. Next field is To Team. It shows the name of the team to whom the document has been forwarded. Next field is Document. It also shows the name and type of the document. Next field is Document Category. This field displays the document category, if category was specified when the document was forwarded. Next field is In Know. It shows the generated in number. Next field is Out Know. It shows the generated out number. Next field is Category Name. It displays the name of the document category attached to the document. Next field is Latest Version. It shows the version number of the document. Next field is Description. This field displays any additional notes or comments entered during manual generation of the in-out document number or when forwarding the document. Next field is Active. This tells the record is active in the system. Moving to the next screen named User Action Log. The User Action Log screen provides a comprehensive record of all actions performed by users within the DMS, including document and folder actions such as uploads, edits, deletions, and sharing of the document. This screen is designed to offer full visibility into user activity with all entries automatically populated by the system in real time. All document and folder-related actions performed by the user within the DMS are recorded and displayed in the User Action Log screen. This log helps the administrators to track user activity for security and compliance purposes. It ensures accountability and supports troubleshooting when needed. Now we will understand this screen in more detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Return to the Onfinity system and please open User Action Log screen from the menu. On this screen, the data is automatically populated whenever the user performs any folder or document actions in the DMS. The user cannot create any new records on this screen. Let's go through the fields. First field is Organization. It displays the organization under which the user was logged in while performing the folder or document actions. Since the user is moving the document while logged in under the star organization, the record will be created under that organization. Next field is Table. The corresponding data table becomes visible. This field indicates whether the action was performed on a folder or a document. If VADMS_folder is displayed, it means the action was performed on a folder. If the action was related to a document, VADMS_document is visible. On this screen, the fields are populated based on the actions performed. For example, in this record, the Move Document action was performed by Peter, moving a second version of document from the HR Documents folder to folder ID 1158, while logged in under the star organization. Similarly, when the user shares a folder or document, the data is displayed in the From Folder and To Folder fields, along with the associated permissions, such as read or read-write. If the folder is shared with a specific role or team, it will be displayed in the respective fields. Additionally, if the user shares a document via email, the recipient's email ID will be displayed in the relevant field, and the content and description of the email will be visible in the description field. Moving to the next screen, named QR Mail Status. The QR Mail Status screen provides a detailed log of all emails sent with a QR code from the system. It automatically captures and displays information such as the sending method, recipient details, and email subject. The screen also indicates whether the email was successfully delivered to the recipient. This helps users to track and verify the status of QR code-based email communications within the DMS. Now we will understand this screen in more detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Return to the Onfinity system and please open QR Mail Status screen from the menu. This screen automatically populates data whenever the user sends an email using the Email with QR Code document action. Creation of new records by the user is not allowed on this screen. Let's go through the fields. First field is Organization. It displays the organization under which the user was logged in while sending an email using the Email with QR Code action. Since the user is performing this action while logged in under the Sonic Ventures organization, the record will be created under that organization. Next field is Email Sender. It shows the name of the user who sends an email with a QR code to one or more recipients. Next field is Email Date. It shows the date when the email was sent. Next field is From Email. It shows the name of the user who sent the mail. Next field is Mail To. It displays all the options selected by the user while sending the email. For example, in this record, the manager role was selected, which means that all users belonging to the manager role will receive the email. Next field is Email Subject. It shows the subject of the mail. Next field is Email Description. It shows the body of the email entered by user while sending the email. Now, the user navigates to the QR Email Status Line tab to view the status of mail, whether the mail is sent or not. To navigate to the Line tab, the user clicks on QR Email Status Line tab button. This record indicates that the email was successfully sent to sonicadminigmail.com and anu.garginfinity.io. If the email was not sent to a user, the recipient's email address will appear in the Email Status Not Sent field. In this video, we covered all the additional reporting screens available in the DMS. On all these screens, the data is automatically populated whenever the user performs any action within the DMS. Thank you.